Good evening, everyone. This is Ajit Chand Bhandari representing economicnerd.blogspot.com. Today we are going to do technical analysis of Cummins India. This is basically done for two reasons. One, it is one of the best stocks that we can give today. And second, Ajay Ji Chaudhary had wanted us to do analysis of Cummins India. This date is 30th April 2020 and the time of recording this video is 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Risk disclosure: we are not SEBI registered analysts. Views expressed here are for our record purposes only. Please consult your personal financial advisor before investing. We are not responsible for your financial gains or losses whatsoever. We selected Cummins India, one, as it is one of the best trades that our scanner has given us. Second, Ajay Ji Chaudhary wanted us to do analysis on this as he is having a position in Cummins India. These are all equity series. The other stocks are Oro Pharma with current market price of 625.85, Biocon with current market price for 353.95, Cummins India with current market price of 377.50, Divis Lab with current market price of 2332.90, Equitas with current market price of 51.50, Hind Unilever with current market price of 2195, IDFC First B with current market price of 21.90, Lupin with current market price of 835.30 and Marico with current market price of 287. Technical view on Cummins India. What we are going to discuss is Cummins India on day chart. Tomorrow we are expecting a bearish trend. The current market price is at 377.50. We are expecting a sideways trend tomorrow. Cummins India expected to stay range bound for some days. Great for swing traders who are doing intraday swing trading. As far as why we are sideways on Cummins India is, parabolic SAR and stochastics are giving conflicting trend on larger time frames. As you can see, we have taken Cummins India day chart and we have used two indicators. One is parabolic SAR and another is stochastics. As you can see, the parabolic SAR is showing purely a bearish trend, whereas stochastics is showing a bullish trend. For the sideways trend on a long-term basis, we have taken confirmation of 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, day and week to confirm that the market is going to be in sideways trend for some days now. It is a very good, in fact I can say a very great opportunity for people who are interested to do swing trading, because we are expecting price to move anywhere between 366.80 to 377.50. My analysis on Cummins India is, as I said, it will be in a sideways trend and a breakout can be expected only if it either cracks 368.35 on the lower side and stays below it, or goes above 388.35 and closes above it. Whereas on a monthly time frame, the buy price for Cummins India is 395.50 and above. As far as tomorrow's trend or tomorrow's levels, what we say is sell below 372 with a stop loss of 373.92, target of 370.30 and second target of 369.14. Entry, stop loss and targets. Current market price is at 377.50. Sell below 372. Stop loss is at 373.92. Target 1 is 370.30 and target 2 is at 369.14. Please bear in mind that this is our personal view. Please consult your personal financial advisor before investing. We are nowhere concerned with your profits or losses whatsoever. If you want us to do analysis on any instrument, please do give it in comment box, or you can even join my Telegram channel and give me a message there. I'll try my best to cover it. Thank you.